What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on this crypto called Myro, which has pumped up over 34% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just over 22 cents. So we're going to be looking at what is next for this crypto. As some of you guys may know, it has been performing like crazy over the last couple of weeks. Over the last 7 days, 140% up. Over the month, 1200%. And wait for this, guys, over the year, 5600%, going from about half a cent all the way up to 23 cents in a space of about a year is a major pump. So we're going to be looking at, is this a crypto still worth investing into? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it and take out your profits? And covering its overall prediction for the rest of 2024, covering both short-term and long-term investors and both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at what is the best option right now. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the usual purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Myro, which is here in purple at 10 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red at over 22 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Myro over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially, by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto is likely to go for a minimal drop in value. However, I'm expecting it to pump up in value before that, potentially up to 24-25 cents over the next couple of hours, before it slowly starts to drop back down to just above 21 cents in value. So yes, overall it is going to be a minimal drop. However, it is going to be very minimal, guys, and it is likely to pump up a little bit in between that time as well. So just like how it's been, it's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side. However, that is only for the next 12 to 14 hours. Let's move on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days. What can we see here? The orange line is clearly looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, the blue line isn't. The blue line is slanting towards the negative direction. Yes, I know it does look like it is going in a straight line, but if you look very closely, it is slanting towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One is looking bullish and one is looking bearish. So what does this mean for Myro? So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid to end of next week, I'm expecting the crypto to have gone through an overall increase in value, potentially heading to around 28 to 30 cents. Somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting Myro to be trading at by mid to end of next week. So do expect red days in between where it's likely to take a little bit of a dip, but the overall outcome once again seems to be more on the positive side, just like how it has been over the last week. Increases in value is what I'm expecting, heading very close to the 30 cents target by mid next week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we are looking very steep. The blue and the orange line are looking way too steep, going in a bullish direction, looking very positive, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason is looking so steep is because of the major increase that's been taking place over the last couple of weeks and months. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep going in that direction and at that pace over the next couple of weeks. However, that's not what I'm expecting. Yes, I'm expecting an overall increase in value, but nothing too crazy. So let's say by mid to late March 2024, the crypto should be heading towards the 50 cents target. Heading over that price range is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason for that is the crypto has been performing very well. However, in between that time, it is likely to go for a minimal price correction, meaning taking a little bit of a dip, drop down to around 15 cents in value over the coming 2 to 3 weeks, and then potentially heading back upwards, heading towards the 50 cents target by mid to late February and early March. And for most of March, it should be hitting green candles, making it go up to around the 50 cents target is what my expectations are at the moment. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are trading in the top tier level right now, and it is likely to break out from its level here over the coming months and potentially hit a new all-time high over the coming weeks as well. And by the end of the year, so in the second half of 2024, I am expecting Myro to be hitting the dollar mark. Again, it has been performing very well, and even though there is a price correction that is expected in between, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So heading to around the dollar mark in the second half of this year is where I'm expecting Myro to be heading to. But if there are any major changes to that can have an impact on the value of Myro, either in a positive or negative direction, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. Moving on to the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has gone up over 90% in the last 24 hours, making it $103 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. It is one of the top trending cryptos and has been over the last week or two due to the fact that it's pumped up like crazy and is still ongoing, and the trading volume is likely to go up even higher over the coming hours as more and more people are likely to start trading the crypto as well. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on the crypto, guys. Comment down below what is the highest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2024. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.